All right, so I was gonna do like an install video on the fog lights for the Raptor, but I've already made a video of that and it's the exact same process. I opened everything up and saw what the kit came with. It came with 4 rock guards, the harnesses that you need. So this harness will directly connect to the Ford harness, and then this will go to the Bajas. The brackets are the exact same, so there's no real point of making another install video when it's going to be the exact same process. So I'll link the video in the description and up below, whatever, and then you guys can follow that if you're trying to find out how to install it. But I guess I'll still make like a video of what I'm going to be throwing on. So S2 Pros, these are the IR set. This is the SAE set in amber. All this is going to go in the fog light pocket. Still have more that I want to install, but I'm waiting for a third brake light. I don't know what housing I'm going to go with, but yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and get started. Should be pretty easy. I just started and I already cut my freaking finger. I'm gonna super glue it. All right, first one is out. I'm gonna put tape on this because I keep banging it on things and it keeps opening. That should work. Thinking about taking this off too. It may look a little bit more aggressive, but am I gonna lose MPGs over this? I don't know. I'm gonna take it off. See how it looks after. All right, and this is number 2. So now we gotta assemble everything and then we should be ready to put them back on. So I got one down. Got one more to go. All right, got them both on. Now I'm just gonna install the harnesses and then just plug everything back in. Take some zip ties to clean up the under because there's gonna be a lot of wire left over. Oh, here they go. Damn it, my arm is so fucked. Alright, now I gotta zip tie all this stuff in here. Cut this off. Oh, hit me in the face. There you go. Stuck away pretty nicely. All right, so I'm finished. I'm gonna go ahead and sell these for like $100 for all 4. Took that valance off from the bottom so you can, looks a little bit more meaner, but I don't know. Let's just see how it's like a strip of light. So these are DTN VSs, and I'm gonna test out to see how the IR S2 Pros look like. All right, so these are just my regular headlights, and then if I go ahead and turn on the S2 SAE amber lights, you can see them right there. Kind of lights up the sides here. But I can also just turn my headlights off and then turn the SAEs on. As you can see, it lights up pretty low. If you can tell, oh, this car's passing. You see that edge? That edge right here? That's kind of meant so that when you're driving, you're not blinding oncoming traffic, which is what makes them street legal. So that's why I wanted to throw some SAEs on to try them out. I've never really had SAEs. I've always had the S2 Pros in amber, and they're just really bright. So I probably wouldn't turn those on as I'm driving down the street with other cars on the road with me. So now if I show you what my linkable, which is on auxiliary switch 3, if I show you what that looks like, super bright. I don't think I need any more lighting up in the front because that is good enough for me. So I'm going to show you the IR and what that looks like now. So unfortunately, it's not going to be a good test because there's just too much ambient light in this alley. I know it doesn't seem like this alley's lit up at all, but you see these lights right here and then this one over here. That's enough light so that night vision can work extremely well because all you need is a little bit of light. So the IR is mainly meant so when there's no ambient light, like you're in the middle of the desert, there's no moon out, that's where the IR lighting will shine. Or not, well, technically, yeah, it will shine. And you'll be able to see a lot more with the IR light. But because there's just so much light pollution around this area, the moon is out, that's out, it's gonna light up this alleyway pretty well, as you can see. So practically daytime right there. Sorry, it's not focusing. There it is. So practically daytime if you were to compare it. Now if I were to use the IR, see how it lights up a little more. Now imagine that light in the middle of the desert where there's absolutely no light, no moonlight, no stars are out. This will be plenty enough to light up the road in front of you. Also took the bottom valance off, so that's gone.